For much of the Dark Crusade, great fleets plied the orbital lanes above the battlefields of Cronus, using their firepower to ground long-range flights. Guardsmen and heretic alike had to fight meter by bloody meter, with great battle fleets exchanging fire across the skies. Trench warfare seemed an immutable fact of life for commanders on the ground. All this changed with the Battle of Pavonis. This spaceport featured an ancient Adeptus Mechanicus tracking system merged with the alien technologies of the Tau Aircast. This system was sensitive enough to plot courses that avoided orbital fire, strikes deep into enemy territory possible. A tech priest had discovered this technological marvel and left his servitors to examine it in detail. Whichever force was able to recover these bionic servants would gain control of the station and be able to launch strikes across Cronus.
Service required.
There is one of the Imperium servitors. Return it to the headquarters.
The lone hunters are here.
A servitor has made it to our headquarters, Shazla. We must recover more.
The Earth cast will do its part.
The lone hunters are here. Send us toward the enemy. It will be ours. We will take it right from under their noses.
The Earth cast
And
will
Tau
do its part.
shall. Just tell
There
us
is one of the Imperium servitors. Return it to the headquarters. A servitor has made it to our headquarters, Shazla. We must recover more.
Drop cranes inbound.
Ready to do our part. The target is ours.
Command. Underway.
We hunt with patience.
Awaiting orders. Construction matrix engaged.
Fire team deployed. Stealth suits ready and willing. Run silent.
There is one of the Imperium servitors. Return it to the headquarters.
Mission accomplished.
Ready to take command. A sound tactical move. As Anva wishes.
Fire team deployed.
Ready to build. Service required. I will make it so. Acknowledged. Drop cranes inbound.
A servitor has made it to our headquarters, Shazla.
Just tell us
We
where
must
you need
recover
us.
more.
My Shazla will not fail.
A servitor has made it to our headquarters, Shazla.
Ready.
We must recover more.
We shall prepare an ambush from there. We shall prepare an ambush from there.
There is one of the Imperium servitors. Return it to the headquarters.
Underway. Command. I will make it so.
Stealth team ready for next
Cranes
assignment.
inbound. Command. Construction matrix engaged. Command. Construction matrix engaged.
A servitor to our headquarters, Shazla. We must recover more.
Shazla ready for action. The silent hunters are ready.
I will lead us to victory.
Awaiting orders. Command. Underway. Service required. Service required. Drop cranes. Orders.
There is one of the Imperium servitors. Return it to the headquarters. Prosper, as Tau shall.
Ready to build. Underway.
Another victory for the greater good. Make every shot count. Like Tau, we shall
lead us to victory. The enemy gathers these servitors as well. We must act quickly.
Prime targets.
Ready to build. Construction measures. Construction measures engaged.
Send us toward the enemy. Shazla, ready for action.
XP-22 battlesuit, ready.
The Earth cast will do its part.
We have prospered. The spaceport is ours. None can stand before the greater good.
Ready to build. Acknowledged. The Earth cast will do its part. Awaiting orders.
Prosper, as Tau shall.
Builder unit ready.
Our hunt begins.
Service required. Underway. Drop cranes inbound.
The lone hunters are here. We hunt with patience. Send us toward the enemy. Run silent.
Builder unit awaiting orders. Drop cranes
Fire team
inbound.
deployed.
Awaiting orders. Construction measures engaged.
XP-22 battlesuit, ready.
Shazla, ready for action. Our bond is strong. The technology of Tau will not fail. Makes us strong. Send us toward the enemy. The silent hunters are ready. The lone hunters are here. Stealth suits ready and willing. The silent hunters are ready. They will never see us. The technology of Tau makes us strong.
Command. I will make it so. Orders received. Service required. required.
Like Tau, we shall triumph.
Command. Ready to build. Construction matrix engaged.
Shazla, ready for action.
XP-22 battlesuit, ready.
The target is ours. The technology of Tau makes us strong. Point us at our targets. Pathfinders, lead the way.
Service required. Underway.
We hunt with patience. Stealth suits ready and willing.
Awaiting orders. I will make it so. Command. Construction matrix engaged.
The Silent Hunters are ready. The technology of Tau makes us strong. The Silent Hunters are ready. The Firecast serves with pride.
Ready to build. Ready to build. Construction engaged. Men underway.
Like Tau, we shall triumph. Point us at our targets.
I will lead us to victory.
Point us at our targets. Shazla, ready for action. Shazla, ready for action. Shazla, ready for action. Whatever the greater road demands.
As Tau shall.
Stealth fields fully active.
Shazla, ready to take command.
Concentrate. Lead the way. Another burst.
I will lead us to victory.
Breaking away.
The contract is counting on us.
Cut them down. Don't let them break it away.
I will lead us to
Open fire! Fire all guns! Fire! Can't kill what you can't see. Don't let them break it away. Every shortcut. Fire is ready. Take your chance once more.
ready to take command.
Orders. Construction matrix engaged.
Every shortcut. Fire is ready. B-25 shines more action. Ready to take command. The Firecast was operational. That card is ready.
None can stand before the greater good.
Just tell us whatever the greater cause
My mind is too weary to fight on.
For chaos! Meet your death!